Welcome back to shit. I forgot.
You gotta say it louder than that.
I don't know what to say.
Beep. Cut. Hey guys, welcome back to another quick video with Straight Outta Content brought to you by, Flash Custom Transfers brought to you by Straight Outta Content because we've had some issues with the Flash Custom Designs YouTube channel. So by the time you guys come and see this, you will notice that all the videos on Flash Custom Designs have been taken off because YouTube...
We were hacked.
No, we weren't hacked. YouTube demonetized Flash Custom Designs because they said we were copying material by uploading it to Flash Custom Designs and to Straight Outta Content. So as you guys can see, we're in the lab today in the house getting out all these crazy orders. 1, 2, 3, 4 there. We got orders. These things need to go here into there. And then we also have all these other orders over here. So we're just getting everything out. It's a crazy day. It's Saturday. So if we missed your call, we apologize. We're just trying to get all these orders out. I've already been to UPS to ship some orders. We ran out a little packet. So it's just a crazy morning. People from the warehouse had to drive all the way up here because we had somebody else's prints. It's just a crazy morning, but we just wanted to say, look, watch all the content on Straight Outta Content now. Once we make the new Flash Custom Transfers website, and do all the business and the behind the scenes behind Flash Custom Transfers, then you guys can start to watch the content over there as we will redesign that channel. So it will no longer be Flash Custom Designs. Everything we're doing moving forward is gonna be Flash Custom Transfers or FCT. So that's what we're gonna do moving forward. Just wanted to show you some cool, you wanna talk about the sublimation thing real quick, or are you super busy? If you're super busy.
No, I can talk. I just woke up, so I don't know how I look.
It's okay. You can come in.
Okay, well, there's not much to talk about. I'm just kind of looking at everybody's orders, as I always do. And I came across Chemo's Paradise Sublimation design. Do you want to put it over here where there's better lighting, or you got it?
No, I got a good one.
So it's just sparked my interest. Like, I think this is a sublimation company, obviously, Sublimation Designs. So I think they're giving our transfers a try to kind of see, like, maybe they saw a sublimation video and was like, you know what? I've created a whole business on sublimation. So maybe these people know what they're talking about. So let me give them a try. So I'm curious to see what she has to say. If you're watching this video, please comment down below and reach out to me. Let me know how you feel your sublimation versus our transfers. Maybe you can do a video on that and send it to us and we can post it and just have that insight. I'm not being biased saying ours is better. I like to get that feedback from everybody since they have their own sublimation business. We have our own DTF business. It's good to see that feedback from business owner to business owner. So I'm excited to get that one out.
Handle that one with care.
But there's so many great, look at this. Look at that.
Oh, prints.
There's so many great, look how good that quality that is. Like, it looks so good.
Yeah.
So many great things.
Yep. So guys, again, we just leased, today's Saturday, we just leased our store on Thursday. So we still got a lot of stuff we got to take down from there. And then, so I know we're doing a lot of things out of our house in the warehouse. That's where we're working out of. We got to go to the warehouse on Monday. And then probably, because of the way that this is running this in our house, we're still looking for another small office. So there's a lot coming, but like I was sitting down, I was editing a video, another one that will be out of us signing the lease and everything in the store. It's called The Last Day in the store. It's not called The Last Day in the Store. It's The Last Day in the Store. Sorry, it's been a crazy morning. But just wanted to get some content out for you guys just to let you know. If you see your order here, please comment down below. Because we got other people who said, yeah, the lady with the Jameer birthday, she was like, that's my order. So I was look, we got orders over there in the corner. Like,
someone said that on your video?
Yeah, they commented already. Yeah. So that's why I like to just keep these videos out, even if they're not, the quote unquote 8 minutes long or whatever, for YouTube's sake. I just like to pump videos out so that you guys can see your order and see them getting pumped out. Hey, Fairway, what is it? Fairway Gorillas? Fairway Gorillas, we got you, bro. Promise, we got you. By the time you see this video, you should already have your new prints and stuff like that. So we got you. We understand what happened. So we got you taken care of. Yep. So if you see your prints anywhere in any of these videos, please comment. And, you know, maybe I'll definitely like your comment. Say, hey, those are my prints, you know, appreciate it. And just give us feedback. We haven't, you know, it's funny, we haven't seen any videos of anybody pressing our prints. So that'd be great if we could see that. If you have our prints and you press it, if you could just, and you have a YouTube, go ahead, put up a video or tag us on IG. We get a lot of people who tag us on IG, so we truly appreciate Fairway Gorillas. My man Anthony out in California, appreciate him. These guys have done like amazing commercials, not commercials, but like ads for us or whatever. Not even ads, what's it called? Reviews, awesome reviews. So thank you guys for everything. That turns into promo. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up this. We got boxes to order, we got tabs to get, and yeah, if you are tired of sublimation, like I think this company right here is, make sure you let us know, email us. You can send us your artwork, fcdvinylandapparel.com for right now. Soon it will be Flash Custom Transfers, but fcdvinylandapparel@gmail.com. If you don't know how to lay out your image, and just go ahead and purchase the sheet. For the people who know how to lay out their image in AI on a 22 by 24 artboard, you guys can go ahead and purchase the sheets from the website, fcdvinylandapparel.com. But for the people who kind of still have questions and stuff like that, email us. I know you guys call, but email is the best way to get a hold of us, especially with all these things that we got going on with children and sports and stuff like that. So please email us, $19.99, 22 by 24. There's no minimum. Somebody just asked me today, is there a minimum? There's no minimum, guys. No minimum. So you could just order one sheet. Hey, it's just $20. If you like it, great, order more. If you don't like it, it's only $20. Not that bad. So go ahead, place your order now, guys. As you see, we got hundreds of orders every day. So we're busting our butt. Our kids are waiting to see their parents and stuff like that and hang out with us, but we just been putting them to work. So, all right, guys, we love all the support that you guys have been giving us. Continue to give us support. And continue to place those orders. And I'm starving. I literally haven't eaten today, so I'm gonna go eat. Be basic. Peace. What does that say? Who's that?
All right, this is for Friendly Fork. They were a vendor at our toy drive, and now we make her custom apparel. This is her own custom apparel. Look, I pressed one here. It says, "Keep the flowers, buy me tacos," because they sell tacos. Isn't that cute?
Yeah.
So then this is their bag. The Friendly Fork, book for your next event with us. Follow them on Facebook, Instagram. So this is all done with direct to film. No weeding, no problem. So this is, originally I would typically do this with vinyl, but I was like, these days I don't have time to be weeding. No. So I'm just gonna whip it up.
And look at the colors.
It's like so pretty.
It's stretchable, it's not.
So durable.
It feels good too. Doesn't it feel good?
It does. This material here that she has, which is, it's a certain material that it kind of goes right into it.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Just want to show the colors with some light. You guys can see the detail.
So pretty.
Yeah, it's so beautiful. Oh, we're printing your shirt.
You see?
Yeah, it's beautiful.
So pretty.
For a Lulicious.
Oh, tell them what your Lulicious is, Mama.
I make cupcakes and cookies for any birthday party.
Where can they find you? Speak up loud.
They can find me on YouTube or Instagram. I'm trying to make an Instagram account for it.
Oh, okay. Lulu's Colorful World, right?
Yeah. Or luluscolorfulworld@gmail.com.
Oh, okay. There you go. For cupcakes. And you and Shelly designed that, correct?
Yes.
She did it all by herself.
Oh, did she?
Yeah.
It would pop more. We're going to put it on some black, but yeah, it feels so smooth. Again, this is DTF. Look how smooth this is. Now, she did wrinkle it because she decided to crunch it up, but it pressed right out. Those wrinkles pressed right out. So, we were just showing how durable it is.
Mm-hmm.